Each member is acknowledging that they are attending the meeting via Zoom and that they are located in Wayne County, Michigan, unless otherwise stated when Joe calls your name.
Okay. Commissioner Kniezek. Commissioner Kinlock.
Present.
Yep. Commissioner Basham.
Here.
Commissioner Scott.
Present.
Chair Clark Coleman.
Here.
And I'll loop back to see Commissioner Kniezek. Does he come in? Nope, not yet. So, Madam Chair, you do have a quorum present.
Okay.
The next item being Chairwoman's remarks.
I have none.
Right, next item C, approval of the June 23rd, 2021 meeting minutes.
Okay.
So moved, Madam Chair.
Support.
Properly moved by Commissioner Scott, supported by Commissioner Basham. Are there questions on the motion? Hearing none, all those in favor, please indicate by saying aye.
Aye.
Aye. Aye.
Those not approving? Okay, hearing none, the motion carries.
Audio is back, Joe.
Okay, yep, no problem. We're starting with unfinished business.
Thanks. And for the record, Commissioner Kniezek just joined.
Okay.
D, unfinished business. There is none listed.
Okay.
Item 1, under new business, requesting Commissioner approval, a grant agreement with the Michigan State Police Emergency Management and Homeland Security Division.
Okay, so do we have anyone here from Homeland Security?
Yes, my name is Brenda Monet. I'm here representing Homeland Security and Emergency Management. And
Okay,
basically,
you want to speak on this one?
yes, good morning, committee members.
Good morning.
Thank you for this opportunity. The Homeland Security and Emergency Management, we're requesting approval of the grant agreement awarded us for given by Operation Stone Garden Grant. It's a federal grant, and what it does is strengthen the law enforcement for the borders of Wayne County. So the funds are being used to strengthen and support their operational capabilities of the law enforcement. So it is basically used for their overtime and fuel purposes. So we wanted your approval for this grant. It's a federal grant.
Okay, and it doesn't require any matching funds from the county, right?
Correct.
Okay.
So moved, Madam Chair.
Commissioner Basham.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Being the Wayne County Sheriff's Patrol is on the international border, Detroit River, and can they use any of that money for fuel or other things that the Marine Patrol does? It'd certainly help them out a lot.
The Sheriff Department has been given funds utilizing, but it's specifically for overtime and fuel. So it's specific.
Well, to my
Through the
point,
chair.
if I can jump in, just one minute, that they do work overtime and they are on international border and they do use fuel for them boats. Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Through the chair, this is Sumaya Hart from the Sheriff's Office. We do invoice the Homeland Security for this grant. We do benefit from the Stone Garden grant. We do submit our overtime when we do our international patrol, as well as our fuel when we go on the international patrols. So we are benefiting greatly from this grant.
Thank you.
Is that it?
Thank you.
Commissioner Basham, that's it?
Yes, yes.
Then put your hands down, please.
My hands are down.
Thank you.
I don't control your board, circuit board.
Thank you. Okay, are there any other questions on this item? Hearing none, all those in favor, please indicate by saying aye.
I didn't
Aye.
have a
What
support.
was the motion?
Aye.
No,
I thought Basham's. Oh, you didn't support it?
No.
Okay, I need a support.
Support, Kenlock.
Okay. Sorry, my My bad. All those in favor, please indicate by saying aye.
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 Those opposed? The motion carries. Next item.
Item 2, requesting commission approval of a grant agreement with the Michigan Department of Natural Resources.
Move approval, Kinlock.
Okay, this is the Sheriff's Department, right?
Yes.
Okay, you want to speak on this one?
Absolutely. Good morning. Through the chair, Sumaya Herb from the Sheriff's Office. This is a brand new grant that we received from DNR for $90,000 with no match from the county. The
Okay.
grant pays for salaries, benefits, overtime, as well as fuel and parts and maintenance for the patrol vehicles and the watercrafts. Because of this grant, we were able to add one more person for the summer season for the Marine unit. So it did benefit us a lot. Adding one more person to do the patrolling.
Okay, I'll support that.
Okay, so it's called the Marine Safety Slow No Wake Grant.
Yes, it's a funny name, but
what
it's
is it?
okay.
What
We'll take it. We'll take it.
No wake. Okay, slow no wake. All right. Well, I know the wake means that it controls all of those. Yeah, but I know fast waves, right? Waves, right? But this is a slow one. So okay, all right. Well, we'll take it anyhow. So I have a motion and support. And are there any questions on this motion? Hearing none, all those in favor, please indicate by saying aye.
Aye.
Those opposed? The motion carries. Madam Clerk, next item.
Item 3, requesting commission approval of a grant agreement with the Michigan State Police.
Oh, you know what? Excuse me, before we go to that item, let me see item 1 and 2 again. All right, I should have done a roll call on both items 1 and 2. So can I go back and do a roll call on that?
I don't have to go back because the vote was clear, but if you want to, proceed with the roll call vote from here on out, you can, but we don't have to go back.
Okay, all right. Okay, then we'll just go on to item 3. Go ahead.
Item 3, requesting commission approval of a grant agreement with the Michigan State Police.
Okay.
Good morning, Madam Chair. Tony
Morning.
Guerrero. This is Tony Guerrero, Chief of Legislation, Grants, and Community Relations for the Prosecutor's Office. First of all, we're very, very grateful to Chair Bell for authorizing exigent approval of this particular grant request. This is almost $100,000, $99,996, with no county match required from the Coronavirus Emergency Supplemental Funding Grant. This is to help eliminate a backlog of almost 1,800 out of custody warrants in the prosecutor's office. We've had a great deal of difficulty being able to process these warrants because of lack of clerical staff and so on. This will go a long way towards getting that backlog cleared up. So we would, this runs from June 1st through December 31st of this year. It's a 6-month period. We would hope that we would have your approval.
Okay, so this is not meant to go and pick them up. This is just meant to do the paperwork, right?
This will cover the salary of 3 part-time attorneys who are called project consultants that are not actual county employees. They're on a contract, and 3 full-time law clerks, and the purchase of 6 laptops so that we can process these out of custody warrants. The difference being the warrants for persons who are in custody are expedited. We do those as quickly as possible.
Okay.
The out of custody ones are the ones that keep creating a backlog.
Okay, Commissioner Kinlock. I'm sorry, not Kinlock, Kniezek. There's another case.
That's okay. We often get confused for each other. So I just wanted to thank Tony because I heard that he's chipping in the last $4 to get us to an even 100,000 here. So
How did you know?
appreciate that, Tony. That's all I have, Madam Chair. Just some levity.
Okay. All right. So do I have anything from the other Kate or no?
So moved, Madam Chair.
Okay. Do I have a support?
Support.
Properly moved
Basham.
by Commissioner Scott, supported by Commissioner Basham. Are there questions on the motion? Hearing none, Madam Clerk, roll call vote.
Commissioner
we might-
Kenizik,
Sorry.
Yes.
Commissioner Kinlock,
Yes.
Commissioner Basham,
Yes.
Commissioner Scott,
Yes.
Chair Clark Coleman.
Yes. The motion carries. Next item, Madam Clerk.
Item 4, requesting commission approval of a 3-year professional services contract with U.S. Corrections.
Good morning again, Madam Chair. This is Tony Guerrero from the Prosecutor's Office. Before I speak to this, I just have to mention for Commissioner Kenizik, if you can see me on the screen, you can tell based on this bandage that I always have some skin in the game.
My man. My man. My man.
Corny.
We're very grateful, Madam Chair, to you for expediting this particular request. We're also very, very grateful to the legislative analysts and the commission staff. We have been working in the prosecutor's office diligently to make certain that we eliminate retroactive contracts. I hope you heard that, Commissioner Basham. This particular contract, we went out for an RFP. U.S. Corrections was the only company that replied, but after the scoring, they were above and beyond in any event. The award was granted to them, and this will be a 3-year contract not to exceed $300,000 from August the 1st of 2021 through July the 31st of 2024. It does have a provision to allow an extension of 2 years at the end of that 3-year period. This is to pay the company to go out and pick up, and I'm going to use the actual term, killers, rapists, very, very dangerous felons, to bring them back to our jurisdiction. These are people who have absconded to try to escape prosecution. I can tell you that we have used this company since 2016. We have never, ever reached the whole 100,000 that has been allocated on each year. I'm happy to answer any questions. And again, we're very, very grateful to bring this forward, hopefully get it before the commission on the 22nd of July, prior to the start date of the contract.
Okay. Do I have a motion?
So moved.
Support. Question.
All right. It's been probably moved by Commissioner Scott, supported by Commissioner Kinlock. Commissioner Kinlock.
Yes, a quick question. What's the difference between this and what would be considered a bounty hunter?
This company is national, and they charge us a flat fee based upon what type of a prisoner it is. It's a mileage fee, etc. These folks don't get any kind of reward for bringing the person back like a bounty hunter would receive. Say it's $1,000 on particular prisoner. We pay this particular rate, they bill us, and that's basically it. A bounty hunter would bring the person in and collect what would be a reward. That's the primary difference.
Thank you.
Does that answer your question, Commissioner Kinlock?
Yes, it does. Thank you.
Okay. So we have a motion on the floor and we have a support. So are there any other questions on this motion? Hearing none, Madam Clerk, a roll call vote.
Commissioner Kenizik,
Yes.
Commissioner Kinlock,
Yes.
Commissioner Basham,
Yes.
Commissioner Scott,
Yes.
Chair Clark Coleman.
Yes,
Thank you very much.
motion carries. You're welcome, Tony. Okay, next item.
F, such other matters as may be properly submitted before the committee.
I've not been informed of any.
Public comments.
Okay. All right, you can open the lines to see if there's anyone here from the public who would like to make a comment at this time. You can unmute the viewers, or if they're call-ins, you can allow them, they're allowed to speak at this time. You have any comments for this meeting at this time, this is your time to speak. Okay, I have called for it 2 or 3 times, so I would assume, Madam Clerk, do you have any emails or anything?
No, we haven't received any emails.
Okay, all right, hearing none, we'll move right along.
Adjournment.
So move.
Do I have a support? Support? Nobody supports it?
Support.
Support, Kenlock,
Okay.
Basham.
It's
Kenlock, Basham,
Basham.
Basham.
all in favor, please indicate by saying aye.
Aye.
Me. Aye.
Okay,
Aye.
the meeting is adjourned.
Thank you.
Have a great day, everyone.
Thank you.